Alright, so here we're asked to find all the zeros of the equation. I'm noticing that it is not a quadratic, so I can't just factor right off the bat, but it is a power of 3. So the first thing I try is factoring by grouping, which this one you can actually do that. So factoring by grouping, we're going to cut it right down the middle, and we're going to take out common factors of each. So from this first piece, we can take out x squared. And when we do that, we're going to be left with x minus 3. And then we're going to do the same thing for this second piece over here. I can take out a positive 5. And when I do that, I'm left with x minus 3. And notice that those are the same, the x minus 3, so that's going to be one of our factors. And the other will be x squared plus 5. And then we're going to set each of these factors equal to 0. And solve for x. So this first one, x is equal to 3. We're going to set x equal x squared plus 5 equal to 0. And we'll get x squared equals negative 5. And then x is equal to the square root of negative 5. But remember, you can't take the square root of a negative. And when you do that, you actually pull out what is known as I, or an imaginary number. So we're going to have plus or minus, because when you take the square root, it can be positive or negative. I square root of 5. So please remember that that is actually two solutions, right? That's a positive I square root of 5 and a negative I square root of 5. So we have three solutions here, right? 3, I square root of 5, and negative I square root of 5.